Today's class is very important because quickly we will discuss all the organic tests which we have done in A level. Okay. Now organic compound number 1, alkene. Alkene is tested with which compound? Aqueous bromine. Aqueous bromine is also called bromine water and it is brown in color. And when bromine water is added to alkene, the color changes from brown to colorless, which will confirm the presence of double bond or alkene. Okay, if color doesn't change, that means alkene is not present. Similarly, coming to alcohol. Alcohol is tested with potassium manganate, aqueous potassium manganate, which is purple in color. So when we add aqueous potassium manganate to alcohol, the color changes from purple to colorless, which will confirm the presence of alcohol. Similarly, the other substance which we use for testing alcohol is aqueous potassium dichromate, which is orange in color, and when alcohol is added to it, the color changes from orange to green. It is very important here to understand why the color is changing. The color is changing because alcohol is being oxidized and carboxylic acid is formed. Okay, so when the carboxylic acid is formed, the color changes from purple to colorless or from orange to green. Here you see primary and secondary alcohol give positive test with potassium manganate and potassium dichromate, but tertiary alcohol do not react with these two. Why? Because tertiary alcohol do not get oxidized. So here we can also distinguish primary and secondary alcohol from tertiary alcohol by testing with either potassium manganate or potassium dichromate. These two are oxidizing agent which will oxidize primary and secondary alcohol but not tertiary alcohol. Then quickly we will come to aldehyde. Now aldehyde we are testing with a compound that is called 2,4-DNPH. DNPH means dinitrophenylhydrazine. So if 2,4-DNPH is added to aldehyde and we get orange precipitate, it will confirm the presence of carbonyl group. Okay, so what is carbonyl group? Carbonyl group is carbon bonded, doubly bonded with oxygen. This carbonyl group is present in aldehyde and ketone. That is why aldehyde and ketone both are giving positive test with 2,4-DNPH. Is it clear? That means if we are testing an organic compound with 2,4-DNPH, we can come to the conclusion that carbonyl group is present. We can't say whether it is aldehyde or ketone. So suppose we want to distinguish whether it is aldehyde or ketone, then we have to test the compound with Tollens reagent. Okay, now Tollens reagent is a silver salt solution in ammonia. Okay? Now this Tollens reagent when reacts with aldehyde, silver mirror is seen. Is it clear? Silver mirror is seen. Now why this silver mirror is seen? Because again Tollens reagent here is behaving as an oxidizing agent and it is oxidizing aldehyde to carboxylic acid. And while it is oxidizing aldehyde to carboxylic acid, we know that oxidizing agent itself gets reduced when it is oxidizing the other substance. So the silver ion here get reduced to silver atom and which comes out as a silver mirror. Now in ferric solution is what? It is a copper 2 plus salt solution. Okay. Now copper 2 plus solution is blue in color. So when this ferric solution is added to aldehyde, again the color changes from blue to red, which will confirm the presence of aldehyde group. Again, why this is happening? Because ferric solution is behaving as an oxidizing agent. While oxidizing aldehyde, it itself gets reduced and copper 2 plus change to copper 1 plus. Copper 1 plus is red in color. That's why the color changes from blue to red. Now, Tollens reagent and ferric solution give positive test with aldehyde and they don't give test with a ketone because in ketone further oxidation is not possible. So we can use Tollens reagent or ferric solution to distinguish whether the organic compound is aldehyde or ketone. Now quickly, these three compounds are halogen alkane. One is chloroalkane, bromoalkane and iodoalkane. So these halogen alkane are tested with the same compound, that is aqueous silver nitrate in ethanol. So when chloroalkane is reacted with aqueous silver nitrate in ethanol, we get white precipitate which confirm the presence of chloride ion. Okay, which will confirm that this halogen alkane is chloroalkane. Similarly, bromoalkane with aqueous silver nitrate in ethanol will give cream precipitate. So cream precipitate will confirm the presence of bromide ion with alkane. And iodoalkane will give yellow precipitate, and which will confirm the presence of iodine in the alkane. So this is a quick and a complete revision for the test of organic.